Hey guys, welcome back to another tasty video. It's all nice and sweet things on this channel. No beef literally. Angisajulukile. Ngilinde umama endlini. We are going to Richards Bay again. Last time when I went to Richards Bay ngangiyofuna minoxidil for my hair. So namhlanje ngiyobheka yona, and also I wanna buy a gift for my little sister who's around 5 March, but I rather buy it now because ngenzeka kufike 5 March ngingena mali. What else do I have to do? I think I have to go to Alpha Farm to ask for Unisolve training now, because the lip training say right now I have to train for Unisolve, and yeah, wish me luck. But those are the things that we're supposed to do today. I'm such a when? Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, so.
I started my day with yeah, vlog on his okay, Lena was suggested something about sunglasses.
Yeah, bon. Alright.
Thank you.
Saya bon ako. Thank you. Saya bon. Guys, uJet also on this class. Don't sleep on uJet. Okay. See you later. This is what I ordered. The phone versus what I got.
Pressure.
San hi.
Hi, ngiyaqutha.
Hi guys. Sengibuyile eRichards Bay. Ngihambile ngayo eMhlathuze, and then they told me to speak to the manager. So bengekho, I had to take the contact details. So I'm gonna contact them tomorrow. No positive feedback. I don't know. I don't think it's positive. Also about my nails, nothing is positive actually. Inzipho zami ngithe ngisenza inzipho kwahamba ugesi, so I'm not done. Zobuyela kusasa ekuseni. Yeah. Let me show you what I got, because ngigcine sengiya eClicks. I'm not gonna show you now a gift that I got for Siwe, because she's gonna see this. She's gonna watch this vlog ingakafiki birthday yakhe, so I don't want to spoil it. I'm gonna show you guys a gift kaSiwe uma sesomhambisela yona. Okay, but ngine assistant la eceleni kwami izonginikeza ukuthi nginikhombise ukuthi what I got today. Okay guys, also I said do not sleep on Ujet, guys. Do not sleep on Ujet. Jet is the real deal. Ngiye Jet. Angithi Ujet is also on TFG. Kulaba namakata TFG, they know. Do not sleep on Ujet. I'm gonna show you what I got there. Guys, do not sleep on Ujet. What is the price? It's 70 rands. Let me wear it for you. What do you mean? Abangaki sengifake a dress, a long dress, icathulo ezivulekile phansi, glasses and a bag and jewelry. Ngiyekeni ukuthi ngumfana manje. Ha, nizobona. Hayi nizobona. But look, very nice. I love them. Next, Ujet, guys. Yo. I'm telling you guys. Ujet 150. Ujet. Namanje ngisasho Ujet. Cabangani again, those shades, these shoes, a dress. Stop. Oh, some question. And then I went to a Sportson, Red Beds. Lily kept cutting a phone as, and if it's early one, because there are things that it has to match with. Naleli futhi ngithengile khona namhlanje ngasangagqoka, because inelizam they're going through the most. Leli ngilithengise ukuthi belu malini belu 50 rand. They just said sasuthatha naleli yalu 50 rand. And I was like, why not? So leli ngimele ke manje ngilitholele i-outfit yakhona. Yeah, because these colors, I'm not used to these colors, but we'll see. Then I went to Clicks. Pay less at Clicks. We pay less at Clicks. Lalelan akukho pay less lapha. Sengiyokhokha $1,000,000. Anyway, I needed lens wipes. Guys, because mina angiboni emehlweni ngifaka ibuko, so these are very good. Also, sekuzosizakala ne-camera, but I'm not gonna wipe the lens ye camera, just the screen. Also the screen phone clean, perfect. You should get this plug fan. 40 rand out 80 packets. I'm telling you. This shampoo, it says it clears step-on dandruff. Namangse clicks abantu ba recommended this shampoo, guys. This shampoo is very good with dandruff and also with stuff. Fun fact, if you need stuff, buy this one with Gobis. But ngithengele ukuthi ingane zalayikhaya zine dandruff, ziba nezilonda, so come and show the noma kuzovela ilona leli side leli. Akuveli kahle. Yabona ama-camera namanga akuveli kahle, sengazi ukuthi yonke into perfect. Kodwa ke it was very very bad. Ngaqale bamtholela amaphilisi microcidal, which was very good. Those are antifungal and antibiotics. They were very good, I won't lie. A mixture of an antifungal and antibiotic in one pill, I'm telling you. So they're trying it. Go and buy that Selsun shampoo if it's not too bad. Obviously, I got this mask, 3-in-1 charcoal anti-blackhead. It's a wash, it's a scrub, it's a wash scrub mask. Niyayazi okaniye akadlali. I also got this serum. Guys, my skin it wasn't giving. I'm trying to fix it. I use this one, also Heavenly body spray. I also got these Mawitenga Zutu Bezu 146 if you buy them Zutu, but if you hamba yodwa it's 93 rand. So niyazi ngithenge zawuthule enye sengivulile engalese ngezile. Another thing ebengithenge ifuna iminoxidil because my hair ayisan ongivulele. I think last time when I went to Richards Bay ngifuna iminoxidil, I went to Dischem but ngangayithola iphelile. Then ngase ngaya e-Alpha Farm today to get it. Bukani ngone anjani. Oh, incane guys. Incane. Ufuna ukuyifaka la especially la ngathi khamba khona inwele and sibone ukuthi ziyakhula or not. So sizoyi-check nani sizobona ukuthi ziyakhula or not. 320 this thing. So let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. So yeah, that's it for today. I don't know, I think sasa ngiyoqedela insipho zami. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys,
Ubay igama lakho?
Duzalanda Mdletshe.
Why ufuna ukuvela la? Why ningiphazamisa nenza umsindo?
We didn't.
Okay. Bye.
Hi.
Uvela kahle?
Ma? Hi guys.
Wabuka mina yimini guys.
Hi guys.
Why ningiphazamisa?
We didn't.
Iwona ke guys ama assistant
Awena mavula kuvaliwe dala wezinsuku ngilale. Angikala kuvaliwe dala wezinsuku ngilalele ngoba isimo singavumi cela ungilalele nami wena mavula
Ngiyaphila. Ngathola khona umncane, ngibona mncane kakhulu udade yakho sizosho na 12. Uthi ena uzofuna umuthi. Bese then hey wena na. So uthi ufunela imuntu esifuthu ingane iyavaleka esifubeni nazo asma noma esifuthu noma yini.
Okay.
Kodwa uthi mncane.
Says ngimbone enzi odezolo sekubuyile this thing. Guys, it's not a day without Red Bull. Red Bull sponsor me. Sponsor me, okay?
ngicela ungilalele nami.
Good evening, guys. I'm just here to tell you that I'm tired. Akukho kunye. Ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wami ne? Ngiyawuthanda kodwa ngikhathele. Hayibo, inyawo zami. Yo. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's a Sunday morning. Ngisaya eshowe. Hey, ngifuna ukuxoxa story sokuthi usiwezi uyibonele present yakhe.
Hey.
Sekuzomela ngithenge itshaki, guys. Anyway, awuthi ngidriving iyeshow iqala. Leyo nje sobuye sixoxe or sobuye sivlog uma sengiyothenga enye present, which means hey, angazi. Assistant yami, guys, ikhona la. Ivuke ebuthongweni. Bye bye sisi.
Bye.
Athi ngene ngaphakathi ngilungisa izinto and then yonke into ibe settled. Sithi sivula nje yonke into i-right. Yeah, siphuma ngoba namhlanje siphuma ngo-3. So ngizodrive ngekhaya an hour. Probably ngizofika ekhaya ngo-4:30. Let me just say ngabo 4:30 kanje, 4:30 to 5. Ngihambile ngithi ngiyashopha i-gift kaSiwe. Usiweziki uyivulile i-gift. Uyibonile i-gift izolo. Kahle ufikile ekhaya ngengekho mina because bengila and then ngabuya late. Mangifika ngifice ekhaya. How uzontshontsha impahla zami. So she thinks look here, it was one of impahla zami because ngibone sengibuza amakepisi and then I was like, oh damn, she probably sold the gift. And then ngavela ngayithatha ngayinika uSixolo sesami omdala. Manje, which means next week we are shopping for another gift. So you shopper, sivele somnikeza nge-5 because usisi uvela afike nje, yabona nje ingane ifunda la eduze. Uvela afike nje singazi usuzofika. Anyway, asamenza emsebenzini, guys. Asamenza emsebenzini. See you later. Uzombona. Namhlanje ngiphethe a-black. A-black. Black.
ngicela ungilalele nami.
Say hi to my vlog.
What's up, vlog? It's your boy. Q to the U to the I to the NCY. Quincy. Yeah, man. I got nothing else to say, you know. What's up? It's your boy, Quincy. We're about to ask people a couple of questions. couple of questions about to ask Menzi. Menzi, the people want to know, how does it feel to work at Clicks Ishawi?
To work at Clicks Ishawi is exciting. It's thrilling. You learn a lot here, and you get to interact with so many different people from so many different walks of life. It's really great here.
How many baddies do you get in a day?
Minimum 5.
We're with the boss lady right now, and the people want to know, boss lady, why you such a bee sometimes?
Me a bee.
No, you're boss. B is for boss. What did you think it was for?
Oh, I also thought it's a box. Okay, boss. Okay, boss. Look shy.
She's a vlogger, so she wants some content. This is the boss lady, guys. It's just hard to work with her sometimes. What? This is where you turn the camera.
Oh, it's a new pixel.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is so nice.
It's really cool. It's really cool. What are you doing?
Ile.
I guess though. It's a little press about what was I doing?
No.
Was.
Look.
Oh.
I'm smarter than you.
No, you're just more curious.
No.
Yes, you're
I'm
more curious
smarter
than
than
me.
you.
No, it's not even smarter. It's more smart. How?
Okay. Do the camera.
Mashando.
Loda. Ayah suka kabar.
And shout out to my nigga Jay. What's up, Jay?
Yo, what the heck, man?
What's going on, Jay?
You know what's up, man?
You're paying put.
I'm pimping the tail here, man.
What are you doing in the tail?
I'm scanning, bruh, and selling to the customer. You know what's up?
How does it feel to work at Clicks Ishawi, bro?
Horrible, bruh.
Oh, dog, you don't say that. Cuts, Jay. It feels good to work at Clicks Ishawi. That guy, he has his own issues. He has his own issues, guys. He has his own issues. Don't mind him. What's going on, Pulia Sandara? What are you doing over there, bro? Yeah, bro. Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog, Paris. His middle name is Paris, by the way. What's up, Paris? This is my boy, Paris. What's up, Paris? He's shy. Grown ass man, shy. He's shy. It's a grown ass man. And he's shy. But yeah, so we here, we grinding, we working. Hello, customer. How are you, customer? Would you like to say hi to my vlog, customer? She wants to say hi.
Hello, vlog.
How are you, customer?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. You look good, customer.
Thank you.
Yes.
342
342.
Yes.
Nangumum. Where? Yes, there is a 342 here. It's a vlog. Sabona mama.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila mama njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyathanda mawami.
Hayi. Nami ngiyakuthanda.
Upumumu. Nangu mumu. Smile mumu.
Ngiphume ka-TV.
Wow. Hello mumu. Hello.
Khuluma phela.
She's shy now. Hello, Velile. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
How does it feel to work at Clicks, Velile? Velile, how? What's wrong with you, Velile? And right here we got Charity and Snotile. What's up, Charity?
Hi.
How does it feel to work at Clicks?
Good.
That was Charity. Snow seems to be in a bad mood, so I'm gonna let her be. It's a vlog. For you too.
It's hot.
It's not hot.
It is very hot. I'm just
It's just warm.
it's hot.
Is it hot, dog? Is it hot? It's warm.
Yeah, Omens is agreeing it's hot.
You can't say that. So. What do you need?
Wevlogger.
Tell me what you need.
Ngicela ungilandela ama-holders amedium emva kalokho nize nizoqedana noshangase nge-office.
Okay, guys, it's back to work now. I told you she's a B sometimes. Boss. B is for boss. It's a boss. What do you think it's for? It's a boss. Yeah? B is for boss. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.
So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Also, but just subscribe.
Subscribe.
Phela.
Yes.
Awubaceli phela wena uyabatshela wena.
Please. Subscribe.
Subscribe. See you when you see me. Sekuposta Monday. Mhlawumbe nje ngizongena kusasa yazi. Ngoba angazi ukuthi ngizothatha isikhathi singanani edit. I don't know also. Bye.